Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I'm delighted to show you this new Volkswagen that's just arrived with us. It's a Volkswagen California. Registration is Kilo Romeo 69 X-Ray Tango Papa. It's finished in a beautiful and very rare and desirable bay leaf green metallic, which we can see in the sun. It's absolutely stunning. So as I said, it's just arrived with us, ready for you to enjoy with the summer. So I'm going to walk you around showing you all the features. So starting at the front, we can see we've got front parking sensors, front fog lights, got a nice California detail down the side here, as this is a full factory built camper by Volkswagen. It's not a conversion, so this is exactly as it left the factory. Alloy wheels, 16 inches. Paintwork's absolutely fantastic. You can see there the reflection in the paint. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we're currently set up for camping in day mode. So the roof is up, the awning is out. We also have our table and chairs set up here as well. So that table actually folds away in the sliding door, and those two chairs fold away inside the tailgate, which I'll show you shortly. So it's a really nice place to sit. So we're entering inside the camper. Just put the bed up out the way a second there. So as you can see, we've got the captain chairs to the front, which are currently turned around. So we've got here dining for 4. We also have our sliding table out as well. We'll have that folded away later when we have the bed set up. So we've got a twin hob gas burner here as well as a sink with tap, has its own water supply. In here we've got the fridge, really nice and deep. It also has the basket there as well. Keeps everything nice and chilled and cool. So we just simply push those down and we're all packed away here. You can see our beautiful view here in South Somerset. Absolutely stunning. You can really picture yourself camping in a location as pretty as this, or down on the coast. So this is the upper camping area. Later I'll pull that down and show you when we've got it all set up for bed. Just shut that door a second, so we can see all the way down this panel as well. Got a nice coast decals there as well. So right, we'll get it all set up now for sleep mode, as we call it. So to the rear, we can see we've got a 4-carrier bike rack, which folds down. This is all Volkswagen fitment. To the rear, we've got rear parking sensors. We also have here, located by the number plate, rear reverse camera, which I'll show operational shortly later. California badge here. As I said, the paintwork's absolutely stunning. If you look again down this side, you can see the reflection of the view. Here we've got our water supply, so we unlock this here to fill up with our water. There's onboard storage. Also, we've got a 12-volt hookup here as well for campsites. Alloys are completely unmarked all the way around, all with very good Continental tyres. Has extremely low mileage. Just show you again, it's such a glorious day today. Just thought we'd share that with you. As I said, we've got California down the side here as well. Looks really good. But you can see that colour there, that bay leaf green, really comes alive here in the sun. That metallic is such a nice colour. Really desirable as well. So, I do believe we're all set up for night time now. So it shows how quickly it can be done. So here we go. All our blinds are set down in the rear for privacy and obviously to cut the light out. This one also has the option on here as well. We've got a lovely mattress topper, makes sleeping so much more comfortable. Wardrobe area here, As I said, blinds and everything are down. We'll just jump up in the front a minute. So we just literally pull the bed down, and there we have it. 2 berth up in the roof. All these windows unzip to let light in. Up top we also have here a 12-volt socket as well. And also mentioning here as well, we have USB and plug sockets down here. So I'm going to jump in the cab now, show you the driving area. So this camper is extremely low mileage. It's only covered 11,009 miles. That's 11,009. Have driven it myself. Drives absolutely superb. So we'll just start the camper up a moment. So you can see there's no warning lights whatsoever. Drives absolutely superb. Got cruise control here with speed limiter. We also have a distance control as well, which is very handy on the motorways. Hands-free for our telephone calls to be all safe and legal. So we have here radio, DAB, satellite navigation. This is all touchscreen as well. It's such an easy system to use. We also have our phone as well. And then we've got a car function as well, which shows us different details here. And then up here, we've got a control panel for the camper itself, which we can see here our water levels and our wastewater levels there. So then within this, we also have the controls for a refrigeration box, our auxiliary heater as well, because we've got a night heater on board, charging levels, alarm clock, and then light menus as well. So it's just different functions. We can just touch screen and we're in there. On the alarm clock's one of my favourite functions. We also got a sunrise function here as well, which is really nice to wake up to. So we have it, that's all touch screen. We've also got heated seats as well as air conditioning, automatic gearbox. As I said, I'll just select reverse a moment, which we can see there, display. So here we've got our distance control front and rear, and then obviously we've got our large screen for reverse camera. Such a nice feature. We also have our USB there as well. This camper is literally loaded with options. There's literally everything. We've got electric mirrors, heated mirrors. Also here we're noting here on our key fobs, we've got 2 keys. This part of the fob here, we can turn our night heater on remotely, so we can do that outside. So we can be sat out on our area here, flick the heater on, so then we're all nice and toasty when we get back in the van. It really is a fantastic camper. It's in extremely nice condition. You also may have noticed here, we are an AA dealer, so we're an AA dealer promise dealer. So this comes with 12 months roadside recovery as standard. It's all ready to enjoy and take away. Hope you've enjoyed watching our video, and we'll speak to you soon. If you'd like to call us to purchase or view, give us a call, 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. Thanks for watching.